welcome to Geo-G Adventures. You're going to go to 8 waterfalls, see a platypus and go gold panning. We're in Paterson Creek.
Swimming, it's always here on the other side.
Don't move, George. Don't move.
Oh, yeah.
Don't make a scene. It's coming in. Don't move.
It's coming there.
Don't move.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good.
Always move my hand.
Look up. Like a little crocodile.
Oh, you just died.
Platypus, guys. Look, he's going towards the ducks. He's going for the ducks. Whoops.
You can see it's over there. Oh, you got another one.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
This is Milan Falls, and the good thing about it is ginormous swimming pool.
That's a swim. That's a swim and how it is. Just down in.
This is what they call Innot hot springs. We are in a volcanic area on the other side of the Great Dividing Range of the Tablelands, and we are very close to the Forsaken Fields. This is their service station, this is the reception, and we are going to our campsite. There you go, we're coming to the pools. That says the camp kitchen. So we are now at the spa. This one is the warm pool. Over there,
That's how you do it.
there is the warmer, even a warmer pool. Inside they're even hotter. Hot pools. And the warmer one. Oh, let's go and try it out. And this one at the back, that's the cold one.
Can I do a bit of filming, Mum? Can I? Mum? It's nice warm water. GoPro, you would love it. That thing's real hot. Well, that's the inside hot one.
So we are staying here in this campsite at the Innot hot springs, and yesterday we've been swimming in their pools, and we will be swimming today, which was absolutely wonderful. But just here, just down from the campsite, there is this creek, and you could just feel the heat coming from the creek, and this water is just bubbling. This is where the hot water is coming onto surface, and this is very hot. It's about 50 degrees maybe. It's extremely hot, and look at all this steam coming out. It reminds me of being in New Zealand, and it's greenish because of sulfur, I suppose. And the guys decided they want to do some gold panning, but maybe that's not the right spot. How about this one? This one is cool. This one is pretty.
That one's cold.
Yeah, it's not. Let's try this one. Oh, this one is hot. You can feel it. Oh yes, it's very hot. So this area still has some activity, and a few volcanoes has been here in the past. There you go, let the panning begin. Let's see what's in there. The first try may be the lucky one. You can find some sapphires. You find a sapphire, darling? Oh, those beautiful rocks. What is it?
Hang on, I'll be back in a sec.
You
Is it
found some
gold?
gold. Looks like it. Show me. Take it out of the water, darling.
George, come here.
Papa found some gold.
What is that?
It's all like pyrite.
In quartz.
So it's back around.
Let's try here.
The hot water.
What we are doing, we are tossing, like really you mean it. Toss it as you mean it. And all the light particles come on the surface.
What part of gold panning do they call that, honey?
What kind of? Oh, we are looking for alluvial gold.
No, but what procedure you're doing there?
Can I go gently?
They're called
Okay.
tossing.
When you don't have as much.
And then you can turn it,
No, go back and
Swirl it.
and then you can shake it. Whatever suits you. Get rid of the sand. But do it in the water. Then you check.
I'm finding much.
There's some pink quartz here. There's some.
I'm finding
What
much
about
more
that?
stuff.
What about what's that sparkling?
Oh,
there,
look at
sweetie?
that.
Look how much I found.
Oh yeah, that sounds
got
familiar.
gold in
George's
that.
has too.
I'm
Maybe.
just scratching around here and I'm finding.
Wow.
Look what you just found out of that.
I know. We are going to Millstream Falls.
Millstream Falls is the widest falls in Australia.
We are at Tully Gorge National Park. Let's go and check this depth out. It's raining, as you can see. And no wonder, because this place is the wettest place in Australia. Unless George tells us otherwise.
No, it isn't, Mum.
Woohoo! Whoa, I think I can see sea of clouds. And look at that. There's not much you can see today because it's all covered in clouds. Whoa, so we came all this way to see all those beautiful, magnificent clouds. That's amazing, isn't it, George?
No, it isn't, Mum.
Falls over there, yeah?
Must be, but there's nothing much falling out.
No, it's not much.
Huh. So let's see. This is Tally Falls. Yes, indeed. There's nothing really. It's raining. There's no water coming down.
And then it goes down.
Oh, there you go.
With the hydraulic. So
This is how it used to
So
look
that's where the
in
falls are.
1947.
Yeah, it's been sort of diverted. over this
Diverted.
way.
And it doesn't go this way anymore because they built up a dam
Yeah,
upstream from Tally Falls.
yeah.
Going to Miller Falls. Couldn't have picked up a better day. It's pouring down rain. We were on our waterfall adventure. This is the Miller waterfall circuit. There you go. Prepare to reveal, to behold Miller water. Perfect waterfall. Perfect. Very amazing. Very amazing, isn't it?
Yep.
Very wet. Is this still Miller circuit?
Yep. This is Zilly Falls.
How many falls did we see today, George?
I don't know.
10? Maybe?
Not that many.
This is the area that we are
5 maybe.
at.
4.
It has many falls around.
Yep.
Fell off a cliff. The river just come out of nowhere and fell off a cliff.
Zilly Falls.
Well done.
I hope you enjoyed this adventure and didn't get too wet. Bye.